Bobby, Bobby, Bobby!
Hey guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Bobby. Today I'm going to show you an easy vegan Chick-Fil-A recipe. Since I turned vegetarian, I definitely miss Chick-Fil-A chicken sandwiches. But this recipe is easy and tastes just as good, if not even better. Also, we'll make an easy vegan Chick-Fil-A sauce recipe to go on the side. So the full recipe takes about a half an hour, so let's get started. For 4 patties, you'll need 1/2 cup vital wheat gluten, 2/3 cup panko breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup regular breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 can garbanzo beans, and 1/3 cup veggie broth. The spices you will need are a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of sage, and a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. For the sandwich, you'll need vegan hamburger bun and 3 pickle slices for each sandwich. For the vegan Chick-Fil-A sauce, you will need 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 cup vegan mayo, and 2 teaspoons lemon. So first you'll open and drain the chickpeas, and then you'll mash the chickpeas with a potato masher. Now add the olive oil, veggie broth, soy sauce, vital wheat gluten, 1/3 cup of the panko breadcrumbs, and mix. Knead the mixture with your hands for a couple minutes. Then add the spices and knead for a few more minutes. Press the mixture flat and then divide into 4 evenly sized pieces. Press those into flat patty shapes. To make the breading, combine 1/3 cup panko breadcrumbs and 1/3 cup traditional breadcrumbs. Mix thoroughly. Then press the patty into the breadcrumb mixture, coating both sides with a generous amount of breadcrumbs. Cook your patty. I'm using an air fryer to cook mine, but you could also use stovetop or bake them. In the air fryer, place all the patties in an even layer and spray with cooking spray. Then set your air fryer to 400 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping halfway. Yummy! To make the sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a 1/4 cup of vegan mayonnaise. Then squeeze 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and stir together until even. Now it's time to assemble the sandwich. Coat your buns with butter and then toast them. Once toasted to your liking, add the sauce, then the patty, then the pickles, and then the top of the bun. Now it's time for a taste test.
Delicious.
tastes even better than Chick-Fil-A. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more vegan recipes. Bye.